Have you ever walked past a brightly lit food truck, smelled that amazing aroma of sizzling street food, and thought, I could totally do this? Well, you're not alone, and honestly, you can do it. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting, fast-paced, and potentially profitable ventures in the Indian food industry right now. Starting your very own food truck business. It is a fantastic way to enter the culinary world with a lower investment than a traditional restaurant. But I'm going to be completely honest with you. It is not just about cooking great food. It takes serious planning, elbow grease, and navigating the Indian legal system. So, grab a notepad, because we're going to break down exactly how to start a food truck in India, step by step, and demystify the exact government licenses you need to stay out of trouble and keep those grills firing. Phase 1. The blueprint and the truck. Before you even think about licenses, you need a rock-solid foundation. Find your niche. Don't just sell everything. Pick a specific cuisine or a fusion concept that stands out. Whether it's authentic Korean corn dogs, wood-fired pizzas, or a modern twist on local street food, be known for doing one thing incredibly well. Budgeting. A standard food truck setup in India can cost anywhere from 5 Indian rupees lakhs to 15 Indian rupees lakhs, depending on the truck and equipment. Plan for the vehicle, kitchen fabrication, initial inventory, and working capital for the first few months. The vehicle. You will need a commercial vehicle. Popular choices in India include the Tata Ace, Mahindra Bolero pickup, or Ashok Leyland Dost. You can buy new or second-hand, but make sure the engine is solid because your business quite literally rides on it. Fabrication. This is where the magic happens. You need to convert an empty truck bed into a commercial kitchen. Hire a professional fabricator to install food-grade stainless steel counters, proper exhaust systems, water tanks, and safe gas piping. Do not cut corners here. Your safety depends on it. Phase 2. The legal landscape. Crucial licenses. Alright, let's get into the reality check. This is the part that frustrates a lot of passionate cooks, but it is non-negotiable. To run a food truck legally in India, you need to clear a few bureaucratic hurdles. Here is exactly what you need. FSSAI license. This is your absolute holy grail. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India license is mandatory for anyone selling food. Depending on your business size, you will likely start with a basic registration or a state license. You cannot operate without this. Commercial vehicle papers. RTO, since your kitchen is on wheels, the regional transport office needs to be involved. You need commercial vehicle registration, an active fitness certificate, paid road tax, and commercial vehicle insurance. Trade license. This is issued by your local municipal corporation, like BMC in Mumbai, NDMC in Delhi, or BBMP in Bangalore. It grants you permission to carry out a commercial trade within that municipality's limits. Fire safety, NOC. You are driving around with commercial gas cylinders and hot oil. You must get a no objection certificate from the local chief fire officer. Ensure your truck has certified fire extinguishers and proper ventilation to pass this inspection. Police NOC/local authority permission. This is where things get tricky for food trucks. India doesn't have a unified food truck law yet. You will often need a no objection certificate from the local police station or traffic police where you plan to park and operate to ensure you aren't causing traffic jams or public nuisance. GST registration. If your turnover exceeds 40 Indian rupees lakhs or 20 Indian rupees lakhs in some states, GST registration is mandatory. However, getting it early is highly recommended if you plan to partner with delivery apps like Swiggy or Zomato. Phase 3. Location and launch. You have the truck, the amazing food, and the legal green lights. Now what? Scout your location. A food truck's biggest advantage is mobility, but you still need a home base. Look for areas with high footfall, outside corporate parks, near colleges, popular nightlife streets, or designated food truck parks. Marketing. Start hyping up your launch on Instagram and Facebook weeks before you open. Run local ads. Do a tasting menu for local food bloggers. And make sure your truck's exterior design is bright, readable, and highly photogenic. Staffing. You will likely need at least one helper or a cashier, so you can focus on cooking and quality control during the rush hours. Starting a food truck is hard work. You will face hot kitchens, unpredictable weather, and days where things just go wrong. But the thrill of handing a customer a plate of food you created and seeing their face light up makes it all worth it. If you are ready to put in the work, do the research, and get your paperwork in order, your dream food truck is entirely within your reach. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more business breakdowns, and let me know in the comments what kind of food truck you want to start.